Hey guys, this is Seth at Q Sales Inc. and this is a virtual inspection by video. We're going to start this machine up and run and operate it, and then we're going to inspect the major components. This machine starts up and it runs and operates well. The deck paint has been touched up, but all the deck components are in very good operating condition. Everything works well. Front tires are in decent shape. The machine has 1,497 hours on it. The seat's in very nice shape. Rear tires are in nice shape. Has a very nice Kohler Command 25 horsepower engine. This machine is also equipped with a launch system. It can be taken off for side discharge, but it does have a launch system on it. This machine starts up and runs and operates well. If you have any questions, feel free to email us. Thank you. Hey guys, thanks for viewing our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to send us a message. We can ship these machines pretty much anywhere, so if you want a shipping rate, feel free to contact us. And thanks again for watching. Have a great day.